Hi, hello बच्चों. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In today's class, we will learn differential equation 5 marks, fourth question, dear students. What they had asked, we will see. Find the general solution of differential equation dy by dx plus 2x divided by 1 plus x square into y is equal to 4x square divided by 1 plus x square, dear students. So this is the question. How to solve this one, you see here. So now first you write given equation as this. So dy by dx plus 2x divided by 1 plus x square into y is equal to 4x square divided by 1 plus x square, dear students. So this is the given equation for us, and how this is looking like, this is in the form, this is in the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p is what? P is, that is on comparison, better we can write dy by dx plus py is equal to q on comparison. So p is equal to, p is what? You see here, compare this equation with this. So now in p place what it is? 2x divided by 1 plus x square. p jagadalli enide 2x plus 2x divided by 1 plus x square ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ p ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕು. y ಅನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ y ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, p ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ p ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏನಿದೆ, 2x divided by 1 plus x square ಇದೆ. So what is q? Q you compare 4x square divided by 1 plus x square, dear students. In q place 4x square divided by 1 plus x square is that. So p you write first. P is what? 2x divided by 1 plus x square, and what is q? 4x square divided by 1 plus x square, dear students. So this is your q. I hope it is clear, everyone. Fine. So now see here, let us find it. In before previous videos we have done, so how to find if and all. So please, those who are not watched those videos, please go and check the first video. You will understand why we are writing in this form and why we are finding if and all, why we are writing the formula also. So if is what? If is integrating factor. You know that integrating factor, we are having the formula e raised to integration p dx, dear students. So now we will write here. So p is what? What is p? 2x divided by 1 plus x square dx, dear students. So p is nothing but what? 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Clear? So even we can write this also directly. So that is what? Dear students, integration of f dash of x divided by f of x into dx is nothing but log of f of x, dear students. So this is the formula which we are having. So now you see here below is what? Here you compare this and this. So f of x is what? 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square derivative is 2x, dear students. 1 derivative is 0, x square derivative is 2x. 0 plus 2x is 2x. So that means f of x is 1 plus x square. Uska derivative is what? This derivative is 2x, dear students. That is f dash of x. Clear? Idu f of x ide 1 plus x square. Idar derivative 2x ide. 1 plus x square derivative 2x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ f dash of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2x, f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 plus x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಿದೆ? log f of x plus c ಇದೆ. So ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕೋಣ. So now ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. So now log f of x will write, f of x is what, dear students? 1 plus x square. So this is our answer, dear students. So e raised to log x. So I had told you in first video also, note e raised to log x is x only, dear students. So therefore if will become what now? E raised to log x is x. In place of x is what? 1 plus x square. E raised to log x andre x ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ x ಬದಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ 1 plus x square ಇದೆ 1 plus x square ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So 1 plus x square I will write. I hope it is clear everyone. So now see here we will find our general solution GS. General solution we are having a formula IF into y is equal to IF into q dx ds students. So this is the general solution formula. So now how to write, you see a general solution. So I will write here below here only I will write because the light is reflecting here. So IF is how much? What is IF? 1 plus x square into y. 1 plus x square into y is equal to 1 plus x square into IF is 1 plus x square. And what is q value, dear students? Can you see here q? Q in the bella is to 4x square divided by 1 plus x square. You substitute here. So 4x square divided by 1 plus x square into dx. I hope everyone are understood this. Now see here. This is 1 plus x square into 4x square divided by 1 plus x square. Clear everyone? So now 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square get cancelled. So what you are remaining with? 1 plus x square into y integration of 4x square ds students. So now this formula is actually not required. For your understanding purpose I had written, I will erase ds students. So now what we will get the answer, you see here. So 1 plus x square I will write as it is into y. Clear? So here 4 is constant, we can take it outside. What is integration of x square? X square is looking like x raised to n. Integration of x raised to n, you know that. What we have done, x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Here x raised to n plus 1 means 2 plus 1 is 3 and divided by n plus 1 means 2 plus 1 is 3 plus c. This is the required answer, my dear students. You got 5 marks in board exam if it comes. Fine. So we'll continue with the next question. Please copy this one, everyone. I hope all of you have copied. We'll see the 5th question, dear students, what that asked. So now see here. Find the general solution of the differential equation cos square x dy by dx plus y is equal to tan x. So this is the given question for us and we have to compare whether it is a form number 1 or form number 2. Form number 1 and form number 2, once again I am saying we have done in first video, the formulas are given, you go and check it. So you will understand form number 1 is what and form number 2 is what. So now see here. So form number 1, it is looking like a form number 1 but actually it is not a form number 1. This is not there in the form. First of all, it is not there in the form. So that's why what we will do. You see, first you write the given equation, dear students. So that is cos square x dy by dx plus y is equal to tan x, dear students. So this is the question. Yes. So now see here. Form number 1 is actually like this. Dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Yes or no? So then I mean dy by dx in behind, or you see this one in front of that or behind, what पीछे बोलते हैं क्या, इधर ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಅಂತಿರೋ ಇನ್ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಅಂತಿರೋ ನೋಡಿ. So ನೀವು ಯಾವ ತರ ಕರೀತೀರಿ ಕರೀರಿ. So dy by dx के सामने और पीछे क्या है इसका? So that is ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos square ಇದೆ. So this is not there in this form. So now what we will do, ಇದು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ವಾಟ್, cos square x. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ cos square ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ये फॉर्म में नहीं है, that's why we will divide by cos square. So dividing by cos square. So what you will get, you see, dividing by cos square. So cos square divided by cos square x dy by dx, and it will divide whole equation, dear students. 1 divided by cos square x into y. 1 into y is y only, y divided by cos square only, dear students. Why we are writing? We want to write in this form. So that's why I am writing 1 divided by cos square. So tan x 1 divided by cos square x, dear students. I hope everyone it is clear. So now what will happen, you see? Cos square get cancelled. dy by dx we got. So plus 1 by cos square is what? Sec x square x. Everyone know? बचपन से ही पढ़ रहे हैं. So ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸಣ್ಣಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಹಿಡಿದನು ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. 1 by cos square is sec x square, dear students. So tan x into 1 by cos square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? sec x square x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಈಗ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ಇದೇ ತರಾನೇ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Yes or no? This is looking like this only when you compare. So now you can write this is in the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Correct? So on comparison you can write on comparison what is your p? Compare with this. What is p? P is sec x square. P is nothing but sec x square x. And what is q? Q is what? What is q? You see here, tan x into sec x square. Tan x into sec x square x, dear students. Observe very clearly. Can you see here? P is nothing but what? Sec x square x. And what is q? Tan x into sec x square x, dear students. I hope everyone it is clear. So now see here, IF how to find. IF is equal to e raised to integration p dx. So we can write this is form number 1. That's why. So now see here is equal to e raised to. So what you can write here? See here, p value is what, dear students? P value is sec x square x. Sec x square x into dx. Clear everyone? Observe very carefully now. Integration of sec x square x. Many of you will forget. Tan x derivative, no? Tan x derivative is what? Sec x square. So sec x square integration is tan x, dear students. Tan x derivative sec x square ಇದೆ. So ಅದರ integration ಉಲ್ಟಾನೆ tan x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So now e raised to tan x. Understood? So now IF I got e raised to tan x. So this is not required. I will erase, dear students. So now let us find what general solution. General solution how to find, you see here. GS I will write here. GS will write here. IF into y. You don't leave space. You write continuously because here light is reflecting. That's why I am writing below, dear students. So integration of IF into q dx. Got it? Very easy. IF is what? Substitute e raised to tan x into y. E raised to tan x into q is what? What is q? Tan x into sec x square dx. So many of the students will stop here. Many of the students will what? Stop here. How to solve this one then? So that's why think and solve here. Very easy it is to solve. Don't write u into v. U into v conditions fails here. So because there are 3 terms are there and it doesn't work also properly. So now see here, what we will do here, put t is equal to tan x we will take, dear students. Put t is equal to tan x. Whenever in integration something we are putting or substituting, so that is t is equal to tan x, we have to take the derivative, dear students. Yes or no? So then we can take the derivative with respect to x. Function is in x. So with respect to x, if you take dt by dx is equal to tan x derivative is sec x square x. So this implies what, you know? dt is equal to sec x square x into dx. dx is sent that side. So now you substitute in the given. So e raised to tan x is nothing but what? I can write like this. See here. E raised to tan x is nothing but t. T t, I can write e raised to t into y. Why I wrote t, you understood? T is nothing but what? Tan x, no? Tan x is nothing but t I have substituted. So now see here. Now next, e raised to t, tan x is t sec x square x into dx. This is nothing but what? Sec x square x dx is dt dx, students. Correct? Sec x square dx. Sec x square dx is dt. Clear? So now you can use Eilert rule. Eilert says, you know that. Eilert says what? Inverse, logarithm, algebra, trigonometry, exponent. Now which will come? This is a, see, just you, while writing you write it as a t only. But imagine in heart you keep it as, in our mind, it should be x only, dear students. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸೊಳಗೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು x ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ t ಬರೀರಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So x means what? X is nothing but what? Algebra. So that is t is only x we will consider. We will write t only here, but we will imagine it as a x only. So that is what t is algebra and e raised to t is exponent. Which will come first? That is algebra will come first. So that's why we will say this as u and this as v. So u into v formula you know. If you don't know, I will write here that also. I will show each and everything clearly. You observe. U into v is what? U is written as is integration of v dx minus du by dx integration of v into dx. This is the formula, dear students. U into v. You write as is now. E raised to t into y. U is what? T. E raised to t. See here, u I have written as is t. E raised to t integration. We have to take integration, no? E raised to t integration is, just imagine it is e raised to x only. While writing t, you write. E raised to t is what? Integration is e raised to t. E raised to x is e raised to x, no? Similarly. So now minus u is what? What is u? T is u? Yes or no? That means it is x only we will imagine. So x derivative is 1, t derivative is also 1 only. So integration 1 I wrote. Integration of v, that is e raised to t, integration is e raised to t dt. Clear everyone? So this is I will erase. This is not required formula, it is for your understanding purpose we have written. So now e raised to t into y, t into e raised to t, 1 into e raised to t is e raised to t, integration of e raised to t, e raised to t only, dear students, plus c. So you take e raised to t on that side, y is equal to, so t, here 1 e raised to t will get cancelled, so minus 1, this will divide this, e raised to t 1 cancels, here also cancels, minus 1, and c divided by e raised to t will come down. If you take up, no, it will become e raised to minus t, dear students. So then you substitute the value of t now. So dear students, I will write the final answer here. This is continued here. So I will write here only. So to complete that, so y is equal to, t is what? T is tan x minus 1 plus c into e raised to minus tan x, dear students. T value is nothing but where it is tan x, you see here. T value is nothing but tan x, t value I am substituting. So this is our required answer, my dear students. I hope you understood. So if you are understanding this video, liking this video, so please like and subscribe my channel. So each like will inspire me to do the next video, dear students. Because you are observing this, all you are taking the notes but not liking our channel. So please like the channel and subscribe with those who are not done it. So we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you, dear students. Please copy.